2 ways to make money with AI for tech people. Everyone's talking about AI, but for technically skilled people, it's not just a tool, it's a gold mine. You don't need a PhD to build a profitable AI business. Today, we're breaking down 2 powerful paths you can take right now. Let's dive in. Path 1, no-code/low-code AI apps. First up, no-code and low-code AI apps. This is the fastest way to get to market. Your goal here isn't to build the AI yourself. It's to act as an architect. You use platforms like Bubble.io to build the application, the interface, the user flow, the database. Then you plug in the brain. Powerful AI APIs from companies like OpenAI, Google, or Anthropic. Your real skill is prompt engineering, crafting the perfect instructions to get these APIs to solve a specific, valuable problem. Think, an app that summarizes long legal documents for students, a tool that generates SEO-friendly product descriptions for e-commerce stores, or a social media manager that creates post captions in a specific brand voice. The business model is classic SaaS, software as a service. You charge a monthly or yearly subscription, offer a free tier to get users in the door, then premium plans for power users. Your advantage? Speed and validation. You can build a working prototype in a weekend and test if there's real demand before writing 1,000 lines of code. Path 2, fine-tuning AI models. Now for a more advanced and high-value path, fine-tuning AI models. This is where you move from using general-purpose AI to creating custom, specialized intelligence for businesses. Think of a base model, like Meta's Llama 2, as a brilliant generalist. It knows a lot about everything. Fine-tuning is like taking that generalist and turning it into a dedicated expert for a specific company. You train it further on their unique data, their internal documents, customer support tickets, legal contracts, or product manuals. The result? A model that is far more accurate and effective for their specific use case than any off-the-shelf chatbot could ever be. Your service might involve building a legal assistant that can review contracts for a specific clause, creating an internal help desk bot that answers employee questions, or developing a system that automatically categorizes and tags thousands of customer emails. This is a high-ticket B2B service. You're solving critical business problems. Projects can range from $5,000 to $50,000 or more. You'll need stronger technical skills here: data preparation, machine learning fundamentals, and cloud platform experience. But the payoff is significantly higher and faces less competition. So, which path is for you? If you're a builder who loves moving fast and talking to customers, start with no-code AI apps. If you're a technical expert who loves deep, complex problems and working with enterprises, explore fine-tuning. Both paths are incredibly viable right now. The key is to start. Pick one, find your first customer or build your first prototype, and learn by doing. What will you build? Let us know in the comments. And if this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more practical tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. If you learned something today, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.